Welcome to this quick guide on how to install clamps on the iQ252. Start by locating the pre-drilled holes on the fence side of the machine. Using the square bracket and the included screws, line the bracket up with those holes. From underneath the machine, begin threading the screws upward through the holes and into the bracket. Once both screws are in place, use the included nuts to secure the bolts and bracket tightly. Make sure everything is snug and aligned. Next, use the tool included on the saw to remove the top two bolts as shown here. Then, use a magnet or a long screwdriver to carefully remove the two nuts inside the machine. Now, insert the bolt that comes with the bracket into the opening shown here. Now, take the bolts you removed earlier and carefully reinstall them in their original positions, tightening each one securely but not over-torquing. Make sure the tightening nut is included and secure. Place the clamp bracket on the saw and use the tightening knob to secure it firmly into place. And that's it. Your iQ252 is now ready to go with a secure mount for the clamps, making your cuts cleaner and safer. Thanks for watching. For more tips and how-to videos, visit iqpowertools.com.